So I got Jesse, I got my Vokes in front. I want to go ahead and just change this before I drop the car. I'm going to put the Vokes in the back, and then I'm going to talk about Hub-Centric rings. They're good. This Creek, I don't know what torque these were on, but it should be about 100 pounds, 100 foot-pounds. I think it's more than 100 foot-pounds, but who knows. Alright, so this hub ring hopefully will fit. Is it this way? Yeah. Did I get the right one?
Hopefully.
Oh, I did.
You did?
Yeah.
So it's going on perfect?
Yeah, it's going on nice.
Great. You can see in the video.
Yeah. I probably should have cleaned it, but yeah. So now, fit. I already tested the other way. I'll show you guys in a second how it fits. So we're gonna roll this over there, Jesse.
Let me roll it.
Yep. And I'll show the people with another hub ring. Hub-Centric ring. These are pretty cool. The reason why you want hub rings, so that way it helps center the wheel a little bit better. These weren't that bad. And you can see, see how it slipped on this one, the adapter. I guess it got an adapter. It fits. Right on point. This is a 72.6 millimeter, 70.3 millimeter. You can see how it fits, nice and smooth. I already stuck it in here, so now Jesse will put it on.
And be careful.
Yep. You want to line up the lugs if you can, and it should fit nice and snug. You could, adjust it. You might come in the front and then pick it up from the back. Yep. You gotta pick it up. You gotta do like a squat and pick it up. You know how to do that?
Like that?
Like a squat, like me. You see how I'm sitting? Pick it up like that, exactly. And then match the holes. Yep. Can you see it?
There
you
we
go. Yep. Now just push it through a little bit.
I'm
You
gonna
have to wiggle it.
Let me wiggle it now.
You can wiggle it from the bottom. Is it on?
Think so.
Yeah, it's on.
Now I'll just put a bolt on.
Yeah.
So hold
Feed it a little bit.
I'll feed all the.
So these are 120 millimeter, 5x120.
And you gotta torque it.
The other thing, the actual Corvette wheel is actually 5x120.65. So there's a slight centering difference. Some people say it's fine. I think for track, maybe not, but for street, it should be fine. But you can see.
I'll tighten the bottom. I'll tighten the little bottom ones more so it doesn't move out.
Yeah,
There.
you can. Yeah.
Now I can't loosen out no more, which is great.
The lug thread pattern is 12.1, 12 millimeter by 1.5 millimeter. So now we're gonna
Torque it?
not torque it. We're
Impact
gonna
it.
torque it. No, we're just gonna tighten it.
Yeah.
We won't is this mine or yours?
That's mine.
Okay.
Yours
So
is way over there next to the.
we're gonna put those on. We're gonna tighten it, but we won't torque it until we lower it a little bit.
Yeah. I'll tighten it with the impact.
No,
With the hand.
with the breaker bar and the socket. Yeah, with the socket.
Let me get a socket.
Because, well, you could a little bit here. If you were pretty good at it, I think he might not be as... I'm not a pro, but I'll show you. It's always a 5-star.
It's got that tighten, so we're gonna.
Now,
It's not moving, so we're gonna.
it's not moving, so
We'll do the other tire.
we'll do the other wheel,
after
and
we
then
lower, we're
once
gonna
it
torque
drops, then we torque it down. But we want it snug. We don't want it
At least
moving.
it's not moving now.
So that's what we want. Yeah.
You say you said it?
Go for it. Yeah, I already said it. 100 pounds.
Now
So
I'm
it's
gonna.
set 100 pounds.
Now I'm gonna do it like that because
100 foot pounds.
I'm doing it like this because I'm
Are
going
you
this
comfortable
way.
that way? Okay.
Because this is tightening.
Yeah.
There. Got that. Now
You don't
I'm gonna
have
do
to
this
yell
one.
too much, but yeah.
I'm doing it in the star pattern, like that.
Yep.
Great, got that. Now I'm gonna do this one.
All right. So
Star pattern. There, that's good. Now I'm gonna do this
It's a
one.
good looking wheel, huh, guys?
Look at that.